Welcome to 3-2 Wonder. I'm Dr. Jeff, and this is my lab. Today, we're gonna study the science of solids. Liquids. Woo! And gases. Woo! That stinks. Come on, let's explore. We'll discover that solids keep their shape. Liquids take the shape of their container, and gases fill their container. Hey, EJ.
What's up?
Hey, Addison.
Hi, Dr. Jeff.
What are you two doing?
Well, we set up this demonstration to learn about solids, liquids, and gases. We want to see what happens when this stuff called oobleck gets blasted on top of the speaker.
Sounds awesome. All right, here we go. Hit it. Now let's check it out in super slow motion.
Whoa, I wonder why the oobleck does that. At first it looks like a liquid, then it looks solid. So is it a solid or liquid?
I can answer that.
Stop interrupting, they are trying to learn.
Who do you think you are, Dr. Smarty Pants?
Yes, that's precisely my name.
Oh, smart.
Dr. Jeff, I think your paintings are talking to us again.
Oh, you know the Wall of Fame, the most important scientist who never lived, Mr. Know-It-All,
Hello there.
Professor Brainiac,
Why, thank you.
and Dr. Smarty Pants.
Cheers, friends.
As I was saying, EJ's question brings up a very important idea. Matter.
That's right. Matter is anything that has weight and takes up space.
Like me.
That's right. Our bodies are made of matter, but matter is literally everything around us. Things like cars, trees, rivers, clouds, the food we eat, and the air we breathe. It's all matter.
What about the music we listen to? Like my favorite song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. It's about his love for chicken parm sandwiches.
Actually, things like songs, feelings, and dreams are not matter because they don't have any weight and they don't take up any space.
We get it.
So do we.
Matter comes in three main forms.
Solids.
Liquids.
And gases.
What exactly is the difference?
To find out, it's time for us to go into our imaginations. Follow me! All right, I recently updated this thing, so hopefully it still works.
What do you mean by hopefully?
Well, we'll either end up in a land full of fun and wonder, or we'll end up on the moon!
Either option sounds like a great day to me.
Then what are we waiting for? Here we go. In 3, 2,
Wonder!
It works! I'm a genius!
Whoa, I love this place. The land of imagination is awesome.
Anything is possible here. Now, the first thing we're gonna learn is that a solid keeps its shape, like a bowling ball. Ow, 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 I love my mommy. Why'd I have to imagine something so heavy?
The bowling ball is still round and it kept its shape, which means it's a solid.
That's right.
How about this carrot? I think it's a solid because it keeps its shape.
That's right.
Now it takes up space in my belly.
You got it. Next up, liquid takes the shape of its container. Like a jug, a coffee pot, or a test tube.
It's not just water that does that. This fruit punch takes the shape of a cup. And up there, it takes the shape of a bucket.
Whoa!
Tasty! Not bad. Tastes like fruit punch. What about this icky rainbow slime? Is it a solid or a liquid? I think it's a solid. It's not flowing right through your hands. I think it's a liquid because it doesn't keep its shape.
Let's remember what we learned today.
We learned that a solid keeps its shape.
Does the slime keep its shape?
Definitely not. So it's a liquid.
That's right.
All this talk about liquids makes me have to use the bathroom. Can the guy get some privacy?
Finally, air is a gas that fills its container.
Get it? Gas? Or how about the air we breathe? Air is a gas because it fills up the balloon. Mine was better.
Okay, EJ, let's see what you got.
How about bubbly water? Dr. Jeff, look at these tiny bubbles.
I should have brought a raincoat. EJ is right. Bubbly water contains lots of bubbles, and each one of those bubbles is like a container filled with gas. It's time to go back to the lab, but first,
Today we will be learning about matter by making our own oobleck. First, you will need water, cornstarch, a large bowl, and measuring cups. Have an adult help you measure 2 cups of cornstarch and pour it into your bowl. Next, add 1 cup of water and food coloring. Then stir it up. Ta-da! Finished oobleck. Oobleck is a special type of matter that can have properties of a solid or liquid. When you squeeze it, the ball keeps its shape, so it's a solid. But when you stop squeezing it, it acts like a liquid and takes the shape of the container. Oobleck is one of a few things that can act like a solid and liquid without changing the temperature. Try it yourself.
There are different types of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. There are different types of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. A solid keeps its shape, but liquid doesn't. A gas will always fill up its container. There are different types of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. There are different types of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. Matter has a weight, and it takes up space. A bowling ball and air, they're both matter. There are different types of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. There are different types of matter, solids, liquids, and gases.
now let's review. Today, we learned that matter comes in different forms: solids, liquids, and gases.
A solid keeps its shape. A liquid takes the shape of its container.
And a gas fills its container. And now you know. Until next time, I'm Dr. Jeff.
I'm EJ. I'm Addison.
Always question, always wonder.